Over the past few years, I've talked about a number of different ways to mine Bitcoin, from buying Bitcoin machines and doing it the traditional way to cloud mining. And today I want to talk about a new approach. It's like cloud mining, but it is much safer. One of the biggest problems with cloud mining in the crypto space is that you have to deposit funds onto a platform. There's been a lot of scams in the past where then you can't get these funds off of the platform. So this project solves that entire problem. It's called Bitcoin Minetrix, and ultimately the way it works is it allows you to mine Bitcoin where you don't have to buy equipment. You don't have to deposit your funds onto a platform and worry about being able to withdraw them. You simply can go about buying their native ecosystem token, which is BTCMTX. It's currently in pre-sale, and then you stake these tokens. By staking the tokens, you're going to receive Bitcoin mining credits, and then you could go ahead and burn those to take part in generating some Bitcoin mining rewards. So we're going to go over all the specific details of it, but it is a very simple platform where you don't have to worry about the fraudulent risk that we've seen with other Bitcoin mining projects in the past. You don't have to worry about using the equipment yourself. You simply can buy a token, stake it, and then burn those mining credits to start generating rewards. So like I said, this project is currently in its pre-sale. It launched just less than 24 hours ago. And even though we're in a bear market, even though things haven't been going well in the crypto space, they have already seen over $100,000 raised in a very short period of time. So they have a goal of raising right around $3 million, just over $3 million, and they've already raised over $100,000 in a very short period of time. You can buy it with ETH, USDT, or BNB, much like many of the other pre-sales I've mentioned before on the channel. And this project has been mentioned on Business Insider, Cointelegraph, Crypto News, Crypto Potato, many of the top news outlets, and it is something that is extremely unique in their approach to Bitcoin mining. So when we scroll down a little bit, they talk about what is Bitcoin Minetrix. So it is a tokenized cloud mining platform that allows everyday people to mine Bitcoin in a decentralized way. Ultimately, they're solving the huge problem by removing the risk of a third-party cloud mining scams, like I said before, and they put the control into the hands of token holders. So like I said, the way it works is we can look on their white paper. They go through the exact process of how to actually go about mining Bitcoin with their platform. And the way it works is you can see it's under product workflow. You buy BTC MTX tokens during or post pre-sale. You stake these BTC MTX tokens to earn mining credits. Then you go ahead and burn these mining credits for allocated mining time. Then you could go ahead, withdraw, and transfer the mined BTC to your personal wallet. So you never have to take any risk of putting your money onto a platform and worry about losing that money. It doesn't work that way. This is why it is a unique approach, a decentralized approach to mining Bitcoin, like with cloud mining. So this is something that is very cool. When you scroll down a little bit further, it talks about stake to mine Bitcoin mining and how it works. So this stake to mine concept ultimately allows you to connect like your MetaMask wallet and or like a ERC20 token wallet. So if you have like a Trust wallet or any of those wallets, you simply connect that, and by you having BTC MTX tokens in your wallet, you can then go ahead, stake these tokens, and receive those mining credits. So the reason why you would want to use cloud mining over traditional Bitcoin mining is, first of all, cloud mining is less expensive. That's why many people get involved in it. But like I said, there's that huge risk. So with Bitcoin Minetrix, they have a few additional benefits versus even cloud mining. And like I said, cloud mining has benefits over traditional mining. So with Bitcoin Minetrix, you have a low cost entry point. There's no minimum buy during their pre-sale, and you could go ahead and purchase with however many tokens you want and stake those tokens to start being able to generate those Bitcoin mining rewards. The second is safety and security. You have a decentralized, user-owned tradable tokens, ultimately meaning that you never have to deposit money onto a platform and worrying about if you're able to withdraw it. You simply have your tokens, you can sell them whenever you want, unstake them whenever you want, and it gives you much more control of your money. Third thing is risk. User controlled, easy withdraw and sell. And like I said, traditional mining and traditional cloud mining has no refunds, long-term commitments. It's not easy to get your money off the platform, but it's much lower risk with Bitcoin Minetrix. It's very simple. You can buy it, like I said, with ETH, BNB, USDT, card. And lastly is the lock-in period. It's variable dependent on staking, and this is much more flexible than traditional cloud mining. So all of these reasons are why I did buy into Bitcoin Minetrix pre-sale. Like I said, their native ecosystem token is BTCMTX. It is in pre-sale. It launched less than 24 hours ago, and they raised over $100,000. So if that alone doesn't give you a sense of security and a sense of confidence in the project, they've been able to raise so much money in such a short period of time. Well, you could also take a look at their audit. They were recently audited by CoinSalt in third week of September, and you could see how everything in terms of their blockchain, their code, everything checks off. There are no risks for the platform that the audit detected, which is extremely good. Usually you do see a few low risks or informational risks, but no risks at all in the audit report for Bitcoin Minetrix, which is also, just giving you another sense of security. Here's a bit of a demo of how it's going to look when they do launch. You can see it says your token balance, how many tokens you have. You could go ahead, burn, stake, or withdraw them. And then you can say how long you want to stake these tokens for. It could be 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. You could set the number of months you want. It's going to tell you how many mining credits you're going to earn and how much those mining credits convert into mining power. So ultimately, the more you stake, the more mining credits you're going to earn, hence the more money you're going to make from mining Bitcoin. So it's very simple, very intuitive process, and something that I think is really, really unique in the crypto space. So when you're looking at Bitcoin mining in general, it is a massive industry, and they talk about this a little bit in the white paper, but crypto mining is a massive industry, generates billions and billions of dollars every year, and it's expected to grow by $12 billion between 2022 and 2027 at an annual rate of 11.35%. So when you're looking at the largest companies right now, you have Riot Blockchain, which has nearly 100,000 rigs. You see that there is Marathon Digital Holdings, which also has a ton of rigs, and both of these companies have a lot of Bitcoin in their reserves, ultimately meaning that they can go ahead and sell it, make some profit whenever they want. This sector is very competitive, and if you want to get into Bitcoin mining now, you really can't buy equipment unless you have a bunch of money to spend, because you're going to have to buy high-tech equipment, you're going to have to pay all the electricity costs, and personally, I've had bad experiences with traditional cloud mining platforms in the past, so that is why I am extremely bullish on Bitcoin Minetrix, because they're having this unique approach to cloud mining, where you don't have to deposit any money onto a platform. You simply can buy tokens, stake them, and then you can start generating Bitcoin mining rewards. It is about the most easy and simple way to get involved in the Bitcoin mining space. Last thing I do want to go over is with their roadmap. When we're looking at the roadmap, they have a few main phases laid out right now. First of which is the pre-sale and token distribution. During this phase, they're going to start their pre-sale and also have a lot of different marketing campaigns launched. This is where they are right now. In phase 2, they're going to start on platform development and facility setup. This is when they're finally going to start building the application, the software, and developing the team. They're going to continue to grow and expand and start building the actual platform so then people can use. Also, they're going to be listing on centralized exchanges and allow that stake to earn aspect of BTCMTX tokens. In phase 3 is going to be the launch. They're going to launch stake to mine mobile and desktop dashboard. They're going to allow this burn mining credits mechanism for you to generate hash power, actually being able to generate some money from mining Bitcoin, and a few other things, including, more marketing, growing the company, and just negotiating with cloud mining conglomerates. And then the last phase is phase 4, which they have right now on the roadmap, is mass adoption. So continue to push the project, continue to attract more people, and continue to expand their cloud mining rental so they can mine more Bitcoin. So ultimately, this is a project that is very unique in its approach to mining Bitcoin and makes it extremely simple for people to get involved in. Their tokenomics are very geared towards the community and mining Bitcoin. It's not just a project where they're trying to raise a bunch of money and they're giving all this to the team. You can see that 42.5% of it is allocated to fund the Bitcoin mining operations of Bitcoin Minetrix. 35% of the tokens will be allocated to marketing efforts. 15% are allocated to the community rewards and just active participation in the project. And 7.5% is for staking rewards. So like I said, this project is unique in its approach to mining Bitcoin. It is about the most simple and most intuitive way to get involved at the lowest possible risk. So if you've never mined Bitcoin before, or you've had bad experiences with traditional cloud mining platforms, I would definitely recommend checking this platform out. I did buy into their pre-sale, so I wanted to let you know that. And right now, one BTCMTX token is equal to $0.011. This is going to increase as they raise more money.